Estate planning isn't just about passing on assets, it's also about leaving a legacy. Today, I'm here with the very experienced estate planning attorney, Deidre Von Rock of Von Rock Law in San Francisco, who's going to explain how you can plan for your children, but also support charities and make sure that the causes that you care about live on. So, Deidre, estate planning isn't just about money, is it? What else can people leave behind?
Right. It really can be about leaving behind a legacy, regardless of the size of your estate. You can leave behind your values and your intent as to how your wealth is used by your family, by charities, and well over time.
Yeah, and how do you make sure that your wishes for charities or causes are followed?
Yeah, so that absolutely must be written in legally enforceable document. 99% of the time, it's going to be a trust. Charities are very happy to receive charitable distributions through a trust, and they almost all have their own language that they will provide to you in order to make sure that it is given to them correctly. You also can set forth how you want those distributions to be given. If you want, for example, to give to your university, you may want to sponsor a chair, or you may want tuition to be underwritten for underprivileged children. So you may also want it to be distributed over a number of years. There can be tax planning involved in these distributions. So a trust is really the vehicle you want to use to effectuate that.
Right, understood. And can you set up a plan to help your children and your other beneficiaries over time instead of all at once?
Absolutely. And this is done for a couple of reasons. For charities, it may be done because of tax planning. But for children, first of all, children under the age of 18 can't receive the money directly, right? They need to be of legal age. But outside of that, you may not want your 18-year-old to receive a huge lump of money. What is preferable is that there's a trustee in place that manages the assets for your younger children, still provides for them from the trust over time, and maybe doesn't give them direct distributions until they are older, or maybe never gives them direct distributions, holds the money in trust for a long time in order to keep it safe from potential bad decisions by the beneficiary, from future ex spouses, things like that. So there's a lot of considerations to when you're making the design of the plan with your estate planning attorney to discuss and make sure that it's aligning with your values.
Absolutely, great advice there. I think we all know someone who's had heard the story about someone's offspring receiving a large amount of money and then buying a Range Rover and a speedboat, even though they don't live anywhere near the ocean. Uh, So thanks, Deidre, for showing how estate planning can also help you to leave a meaningful legacy. If you'd like to find out more, you can speak to Deidre and her team at Von Rock Law. The contact details are in the description below this video. Deidre, thank you very much for your time again, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks, Dominic.